Yep. Here's my little garden. My greens kind of got burnt, so, well, my mustard greens from the sun. But my turnip greens is doing wonderful. So I'm gonna have to pull all this up and replant in this area right here, just this area, and just replant. Turnips kind of got burnt, but I could take that off and they'll still grow. I just don't like that it make the garden look a little ugly. But yeah, you see my cantaloupe, some little kale that I planted, the beets. See my beets. We have orange balm right there. Lemon balm is growing crazy. It smells wonderful. See our cucumbers? It's latching on to my little thing that I made for it to hang on. But see my little poles right here? I'm going to string it so it can climb onto there. See the sunflowers? Beautiful sunflowers. And my cantaloupe down there is growing. I did 5 mounds. That stuff is crawling. I did a little watermelon. They ain't doing nothing yet. Here are my marigolds. I got them planted at the 4 corners of the garden. My bell peppers, my okra. I got peppers planted over there, and these are my tomatoes. They was taller than this, but the freaking deers came and ate the tops off of them. You can see where it's broken off at. Right there. Them deers was tearing that mug up. But that's okay. We can share. We got little tomatoes on here. Well, these gonna be some giant tomatoes. And then we got the little tomatoes on the vine. They're going so fast. Got some more tomato plants that I just planted around the garden. And there's some peppermint. There's my okra, purple okra. It's a line of them. And there's my gumbo okra. It's actually growing real good. Here's some more tomatoes that I planted. Too close, but it's all right. But see the deer came and ate them down too, you see? Ate them completely down, but that's all right, they'll grow. But that's my garden. I'm in love with my little bitty garden. Look at that sucker. It's just growing. I just got to do something with this area right here. I'm going to figure it out. All right. Just a little peek of my garden, y'all. Sorry if I'm getting on y'all nerve about my garden. Like I said, y'all could block, delete. You could do whatever. No disrespect, and I promise I will not be upset about it. I will not take it personal. All right. See my basil. And I got some sage growing through here. I got some of these turnips that end up in this spot. But the turnips is growing so nice and fat that I don't want to move them. So I'm going to leave them here. Hopefully the sage will have enough room to spread out in a minute. It will. Call myself playing parsley, but I ain't been doing nothing with it, so look, it's growing up. I got carrots on this side. You see the carrots? See how I planted them? Kind of weird. Stepped on some of them, but yeah. See my garden? It's a little mess on this side, but I love it on that side. It's beautiful.